So I finally got my hands on this Bonjack's crunchy drumstick, cream filling milk chocolate coated with crunchy caramel. I paid 28 rand for this, which is quite expensive. Previous people asking 55 rand, which I won't pay. For 50 grams, it's really expensive. Comes with packaging like that. This is what it looks like. Only the taste, but with this, the texture almost also makes a difference. So let's taste what it tastes like. So unfortunately, the sound for a while went away. What I said there, it is very nice, but it's extremely sweet. So if you're into sweet things, you will love this, but otherwise, stay away. Personally, I don't think it's worth 28 rand. I did alright for once. I rate this an 8 out of 10. Thanks guys, till next time. Love you all.